pet-friendly and breathtaking views via the community boat dock on Lake Hancock are just a few of the excellent amenities that awaits you. Welcome to Independence. A pleasant front porch with mature trees for added shade invites you inside to a spacious floor plan, flexible and substantial for today's busy lifestyle. Past the foyer and front bedroom, each with upgraded tile, you are guided to the kitchen and spacious gathering areas. The kitchen is large with plenty of cabinets, counter space and room for a pub table. The family living room is perfect for large furniture and has access to the covered patio, brick paver patio and fenced yard. Off the family room is the comfortable master suite and full-size laundry room with garage access. The corner master suite features 2 walk closets and master bath with a double sink vanity, garden bath and large shower with tile. Adjacent to the kitchen is 2 other bedrooms, a total of 4, and second full bath. The covered back patio, extended brick patio and fenced yard offers a perfect area for entertainment, even for your 4-legged friend. The front porch view is terrific. A short walk down the street brings you to additional ponds with benches, creating a soothing setting for an evening stroll with family and friends. Independence offers impressive amenities such as a waterfront pool, tennis and basketball courts, fields, walking paths, and with your HOA's basic cable and internet,